excited to officially start the show? As I said, marami siyang hinandang gift para sa ating lahat. But you know, Minyong herself is already a gift to us, right? Her love for you guys is really amazing. So, you know, before I start, I just wanted to ask, because I noticed your mic, it's so nice. And I heard you prepared this especially for this fan meeting. Can you tell us more about it?
일단 제가 아시아 투어에 앞서서 조금 특별하게 준비를 좀 꼼꼼하게 해보자라는 마음으로 마이크를 좀 커스터마이즈 했습니다.
Siyempre gusto niya mag-prepare para sa fan meeting na mas personalized pa. So to give more meaning to the fan meeting as well, na-prepare din siya, napili din siya ng microphone na sobrang maganda yan.
Alam mo, kahit sobrang ganda ng microphone niya, syempre mas maganda pa din siya. Right? We usually say, ang lupit to amazing people like you. Could you guys say it? 1, 2, 3? Ang lupit!
Ang lupit?
Yeah! Bakit pag siya yung nagsabi, parang ang cute, right guys? Okay, for our first corner, we're going to take a peek at your unreleased private photo album. So let's get started with Minyong Day. Yes. What kind of photos does Minyong have in her photo album? Please show us the first photo. Wow! Grabe! Your body line is perfect. She's so beautiful, right guys? Yes. So Minyong, can you tell us more about these photos?
저번 하나는 운동을 하는 씬이었는데 세트 안에서 한번 거꾸로 매달려 볼까라는 의견을 내고 있는 상황이고요.
Actually, itong picture po ay nag-exercise po siya. At sa set naman, may opinions kasi na why not we do a scene na she's hanging upside down.
Yeah, 하나는 flying yoga 하시는구나.
At isa ay doing flying yoga.
Minyong, you've always been very, you're well known for your strict self-care. So could you please give us some beauty tips?
운동을 일단 열심히 하려고 하고 항상 몸을 좀 자세를 바르게 하려고 하면 그게 저절로 운동도 되고 또 몸매도 좀 예뻐질 것 같아서 실천하려고 합니다.
Siguraduhin niya na mag-exercise po siya palagi. Siyempre yung posture na din, dapat good posture, which will resort to good form ng body. Kaya she tries her best to do exercises every time.
And guys, so alam nyo na, starting tomorrow, mag-exercise na tayo everyday, okay?